I searched in the USPTO to see if my patent was published a couple months ago. They filed their application 2 years ago. They're saying, I assume the patent is too early to become granted. How can I check the status? I don't see the info when I search the number. Well, I'll answer that question of where to search. At the USPTO, they've got a new patent search. It is quite good, and it's available to the public. It used to be called the PAIR, the PAIR, but now it's part of just the Patent Center, and you can conduct a normal natural language search that will work. And of course, you can also search by your application number. Typically, for utility applications, after 18 months, so a year and a half after your priority date, which could either be a provisional or if you filed a non-provisional straight away, 18 months after that earliest filing date, that's about when the application will be published. So long as you did not file a petition to not publish. I won't get into that. Most applications will publish before they grant. The idea there is that you get the word out, you actually share the information and knowledge to the whole world. You're kind of taking a risk as the inventor that, hey, I'm going to be, in a way, losing my knowledge that I've gained. This invention is going to get shared with the world. You're sort of gambling. You're betting on the fact that you're going to get the application granted. And that is sort of the big trade-off. Is you're sharing the invention, you're helping us all get smarter in exchange for getting a limited monopoly on the claim set that you hopefully issued. And the last part of this question, the second part is, I assume the patent is too early to become granted. Not always true. In fact, you can actually pay and get expedited treatment and get to the front of the line. And examination can be done within a year. So sometimes before a patent's published officially, it gets granted. So the timing for granting really is independent from when it will be published.